the countryside residence for the young couple, was designed in 2019. The plot on the slope suggested an unusual solution for the location of the house and the landscape design. The idea of the project was to create a very open, but still functional living space. The client's family wanted to spend as much time as possible outdoors with children, creating the points of attraction for the unity with nature without losing comfort and functionality, those being such important elements nowadays. This is how the large terraces, pleasant to walk on barefoot, appeared around the house. The terraces were followed by a pergola creating a shade for the family meals on hot summer days, by a summer kitchen that perfectly suits for comfortable cooking under the open sky, and by a campfire area for romantic evenings. The house with its panoramic glazing, fire going in the fireplace, and natural materials has united two worlds. The nature of the north entered the house, and the house is giving this exact feeling of hygge.